511. Oh, it's on now. What's up, guys? I tried to record this video yesterday and the video footage was crap. So this is the 511 LV18, and let's talk about who this pack is for. Of course, this is gonna be for your operators, people that are carrying, they wanna possibly carry off body. And this also can be for a guy that just wants a Grayman style backpack with some organization in it. This is an awesome backpack. You know, 511 gives you quality almost every time now. I really like their packs, and this one is no exception. You just gotta figure out if this is gonna suit your EDC system, your everyday carry system. Let's run through this pack from the bottom to the top like we usually do. This pack is 19.5 inches tall, it's 11 inches wide, and it's 5.5 inches in depth. It's made out of a really high quality 840D nylon, and 511 says this can take up to a 15-inch laptop. 17-inch laptop is not gonna fit in this, guys. It's a really tight fit with the 15-inch, so I know a 17-inch won't fit. This is a 29-liter pack, so it fits right there in the perfect size for everyday carry, and if you want to travel with it maybe for 1 or 2 days, it will be perfect. On the front is the only place that you get that minimal branding where it says 511 right here. Right here on the bottom, 511 includes these buckles where you can slip like a jacket under, which is pretty cool. Usually, like, if I carry a jacket, I usually stick it in the bag, but this is like a second option, and I like that they provided that second option for you. All of the zippers on this bag are YKK. They're not the largest zippers I've ever seen, YKK zippers, but they do include this lanyard. The pull tabs themselves, they're kind of small. So I think that's a decision that 511 made, but the zippers are different sizes on each section of the pack. In the very back section, they're actually number 10 zippers, but they still have a small pull tab to them. So I guess that's the selection of materials that 511 felt that was best. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, to George Define. I appreciate it. Get down on the cereal. Like and subscribe. Now, the first pocket is right here in the front, and it kind of just opens up like that, and you got a lot going on right here. So let's talk about this section right here. You have a big section of laser cut moly, and it also is Velcro compatible, so you can use your Velcro pouches in here, or also you can attach your regular moly style pouches in here as well. On the lid, they've included 2 pockets, and I'm thinking those are good for maybe some magazines that you could put in there. And then on the lid of the pocket, they also include like a little pocket in here. So let me turn the bag around. You can stick some stuff in there as well. So there's a lid pocket on top of those slash pockets. Now, you have some space here to put some additional items, and then you can zip up this one pocket. You also have a pocket down here where I was really looking for, where do you put your pens and stuff? So 511's included a pocket behind this moly section where you can slip some pins, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sections where you can slip pens and pencils and maybe some knives down there, whatever you want to include, maybe even some tools. They also include a lanyard. It's going to be hard to see, a lanyard key holder right there in that section. So definitely a well thought out admin section with a lot of compatibility where you can kind of customize what you want to put in it and how you want to set up your EDC system. Now let's step back to the next pocket in this bag, which is the concealed carry compartment. And it's ambidextrous. So you can open it on both sides. If I can find the zipper, you can open it on both sides and reach in and grab your concealed carry. And it's totally pass through. I'm crossing my arms right now. So in this section, you have spot for a firearm right in the middle. And then you have 6 magazine pouches. And then you could also include some additional magazine pouches on this Velcro that they've included inside of this pocket, the concealed carry pocket. So you could use that. You could definitely use this for concealed carry, but you can use it for other things as well. If you wanted to stick maybe some multi-tools in there or some larger knives or battery packs, you could definitely use this bag for different things besides your concealed carry. But that's the main purpose of this pocket is a concealed carry. So you can reach in from here, right or left, depending on what hand is more dominant or which one is your firing hand. Now 511 included a second admin pocket in this bag. So you kind of lay that open and now you have exposes a sunglasses pocket right here, which is fleece lined. It's some thinner fleece, and I really wish that they would have included a closure to this, maybe a little Velcro or a zip, so that if your stuff kind of lays down, it just doesn't all fall out. But maybe in the next iteration, they can include some kind of closure right here at the top. And then you have some space down here at the bottom where you could definitely fit some more items. I was thinking I would put my electronic organizer in there, or maybe even if I was traveling, maybe a jacket or some more clothes, you could definitely fit in there. Now on the lid itself, you have 2 pockets. One on the top is a mesh pocket where you could probably throw some quick access items, chapstick, USB drives, flash drives, hand cream, whatever you got you want to stick in there and really have quick access to, maybe some headphones, you can stick it in this mesh pocket. Down here at the bottom, you have another pocket, which is it's not a mesh pocket, it's just a regular nylon pocket, where it's a pretty good size, and you can stick some things maybe you don't want to have access to quite as readily as the top pocket. You can stick your over stuff down there. So that's pretty cool. All right, so 511 includes 2 water bottle pockets, 1 on each side of the bag. Now, these are like the hideaway style water bottle pockets where they kind of fold into themselves when you're not using them, and they have a button on the side. So you just undo the button and then you can slip your water bottle in there. And then if you have a larger water bottle, you can kind of cinch it down with this pull tab right here. So pretty cool. Let's talk about this grab handle. It's a decent nylon. It's not the best feeling grab handle that I've ever felt on a backpack, but it's definitely not the worst. You definitely get some purchase on it, but it's attached to this fabric and it doesn't really seem very supported. So I would have liked to seen a little stronger design right there, but you know, you can't necessarily ask for everything. This pack is not a $200 pack, so I think they did a very good job with the materials and the quality. Let's talk about the back of this bag. 511 always does a good job with their shoulder straps, and I really appreciate it. The feeling of them are soft and dense. When you put it on, you definitely feel like the weight of whatever you have in the pack is distributed throughout your shoulders well. So I really appreciate that. These shoulder straps are contoured, and they also include a sternum strap, which is on a ladder system, so you can adjust it up and down. This pack also includes a quick disconnect, so if you need to run and ditch the pack, you can definitely do that. You'll also get some minimal branding right here on the shoulder straps where it says 511. The very back of the pack has this mesh material, and some of the sections are raised, and there's like stitched venting included. Now, this is not the best design for the pack. I definitely prefer the foam and then the mesh over it, but it's not the worst. So you'll definitely get some air movement between the pack and your back, but this might get really hot on a hot day and you're carrying this for a long time. 511 includes a place for you to put a hip belt. It's not included in the actual purchase of the backpack, but I'm sure you can purchase it for an additional fee. I don't ever use hip belts for packs of this size, so it doesn't matter to me if it comes with the bag or not. Now, the last section of this bag is where you put your main storage, and also you house your laptop. It's marked by these big number 10 YKK zippers. And you can see it opens up like a half clamshell, not a full clamshell. Now, this is where the laptop sleeve is, and it is suspended off the bottom, but it's a tight fit. I can definitely tell that a 17-inch laptop is not gonna fit in here, and 511 advertises it as a 15-inch laptop sleeve. Now, if you have a thicker 15-inch laptop, I don't know if you're gonna have some trouble because it is so tight. I believe this section is more meant for Apple or the newer type of Windows laptops where they're a little bit thinner, or if you had a tablet, you'd be golden, but a bigger laptop, bigger 15-inch laptop may have some trouble fitting in this slot. Now, in the rest of the section, you have a cavernous opening where you could definitely fit maybe 3 or 4 days worth of items for clothes. So I really like that. So you could definitely use this 29-liter pack as maybe a weekend bag, throw your laptop in it, throw your concealed carry in it, you're ready to go. Overall, I think that 511 did an excellent job in this pack. I like the way that their designs are going. Every iteration of backpacks is an improvement on the last, and that's really all you can ask for a company. You know, they're a very popular and successful company, but you can definitely see they listen to the customer, and they're trying to get ahead of what the customer is demanding as far as what they want to carry on an everyday basis. And this being a concealed carry bag, it doesn't look like it at all. It definitely looks like a Grayman style bag. You would definitely fade into the crowd and no one would know that you have a firearm in this bag. So I think mission accomplished. I like it. I like the materials, always high quality. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you never miss out on any of my adventures or reviews. See you next time. Peace.